How to link Printify to Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can go ahead and link your Printify to your Shopify store. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to go ahead to printify.com, then sign up for an account. After you have set this, you are going to your Shopify store and make sure that everything is connected from the account, and also you can go ahead and see the dashboard. Now, into Printify, here we have the left bar or the left side menu. When you click on it, here we have the name of the stores or our name. Click on this one, and as you can see, I have connected many stores. We have eBay, Etsy, and Wix. To add your Shopify store or integrate it, simply click on Add a new store. When you click on it, it will show you here the integration that are possible. We have Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, and etc. Simply go ahead and select Shopify, and here it will be demanding the URL of your Shopify store. Make sure to get this format right. Here, this is the previous format of Shopify. In my case, I have already a domain, so the link will be something else. If we put that link, we are going to be on an error. But in our case, we are going to the admin dashboard. Simply, we are going to copy that last part, which has the code of the store. Go back to Printify, put the code of the store right here, and click on or put a point, my Shopify like that, .com. And this is the correct format. Click on connect, and you will see everything will be set up. Here, it will be demanding for you to install the Printify or Print on Demand app into your Shopify store. Simply click on install, and you will grant the access and give some permissions for Printify to do some modification into your Shopify store. And these modifications are publishing products, modifying products, and making some shipping methods. Right here we have, as you can see, the interface of Printify within Shopify store. Go ahead and connect your account. A little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video such as accounts and email addresses are created for the sake of the video. They are not used or made for any personal uses. Now we have the dashboard connected, so we are simply going to open it on a full site. Go ahead right there, and we are going to see here the dashboard of Printify. Click on my store, and we are going to see if the connection was successful. Click on here on the names, and now we have the My Store on Shopify logo connected. Now let's add some products to that store. Simply click on Catalog, and here we have the catalogs that are available. You can go ahead and pick up any of these catalogs. For example, we are on the summer, so logically we are going to sell some t-shirts. Click on men's t-shirt, and here we have the options and also the sources. As you can see, we have some bestsellers and we have the express delivery. I'm going to set up the category, for example, for this bestseller. Click on this one and choose any product. We have the title and the description. These doesn't matter a lot, but the mockups and the templates are the matter right here. So we are going to choose a provider or the source. Right here you can see here the bulk discount eligible, brand inserts, and more. Here we have the options and also the ratings. You can go ahead and see the prices also and select the provider or the source. I'm going with this one. Start designing, and here it will show up the editor from Printify. Here we have the, as you can see, the mockup. Go ahead and add or upload your design right there. You can go ahead and upload it manually, use a AI magic or a AI image. Here we have the text, the library, the graphics, and etc. Simply in my case, I'm going to upload a logo or a illustration that I have created. You can go ahead and use Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, or even Canva. So we are going to search for a logo and add it. Let's say that I'm going to add a design and simply let's do this one. Preferably in these situations or these cases, you have to get a very high quality or a very good logo or design to make sure that everything will be going well and the quality will be crystal clear. Here we have the, as you can see, the frame. You are going to insert that logo right there. You can go ahead and make it like that, zoomed in. And here we have the colors. You can go ahead and select the variants. For example, graphite, pepper, gray, black, or ivory. Mustard, bay maybe, and light green, chambray, and blue jeans. Here are going to set the preferable designs or variants. And for the sizes, you can go ahead and put all the sizes available. When you finish this, we have here the front side. You can go ahead and put from the back side also a design. But in my case, I'm only going to put it on the front side. You can preview that product right here. As you can see, this is the finished piece. Here we have the back, the folded, how it will be go to be seen. We have a person right there, and here we have the mockups. Go ahead and select any mockup and you will see here the right mockup color and also the right design. Click on Save Design when you finish this, and also you can go ahead and download the mockups. Here we have the mockups. Go ahead and select the, for example, title, image color, for example, this one or that one. And here the title, image, and mockup view. Go ahead and use whatever you want. And from this, we have the listing details, product description. For example, I'm going to put here Jack Smith. This is my title, Smith, like that. Description, we have here the pricing. You can go ahead and set the pricing, select all the price. I'm going to put it $39.99. Click on apply and it will set up everything. You can add the availability right there. And here we have the shipping. You can go ahead and set a publishing settings. I'm going simply to connect a store. Click on it and it will show up the choices that we have. Now I'm going to select Shopify. Simply go ahead or put the store that you want. Here we have the store. You can go ahead and set it. And we are going to be set. You can go ahead and set or connect whatever store that you have. I'm going to connect to Shopify. Go ahead and remake the same process if it is going to be, or simply go ahead and put here the, now for the store, if something is going wrong, you can go ahead and select the store from here. Click on it and add the product again. Now, here we have the tags are set automatically. We have the shipping, and also we have the shipping profile, the pricing, the publishing settings, and here we have the sync product details and etc. You can add it to a Shopify collection, as you can see right there. Simply, we are going to select any collection. If you want summer deals or summer collection, click on publish and it will be publishing into your store within Shopify. Here it is publishing. We're going to wait for some few seconds until we see it published, and we are going to check that on our store. Here it is uploading our images also. When you see here the status published, You are simply going to visit your Shopify store, go to the products, and search for that particular product that we have added. And here we have the unisex garment dyed t-shirt. I have changed the title, and also you can go ahead and change it right there. Jack Smith, like this, garment dyed t-shirt. Here we have the variants, and we have the colors and the sizes. Everything right here is set up to the good side. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and see you soon on the next one.